Hey guys, welcome back to Modeling Manhood. I want you guys to imagine for a second that you are going under surgery and they are basically going to make a window into your chest cavity to examine the true condition of your heart. I know that sounds a little crazy, but you know what? Sometimes we need to just step back and take a look at what's inside of us. In the book of Proverbs, Proverbs 4:23, it says, "Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it." Proverbs 4:23. And someday I have this crazy idea, amongst other things, that I would love to build a natural house. So if you guys think of like a cob house, which is made of like mud and straw and water, or like a hay bale house, where you basically stack hay bales on top of each other and then build a house out of all natural fibers, or like a corkwood house made out of firewood. That's something I would love to do someday, just make a small cabin. But one of the coolest things, I've been in a couple of these greenhouses, they call them, and they always leave this little thing called a truth window. And what that truth window is, they'll frame it out sometimes like a real nice picture frame, and you can look in and see that the inside is made of straw or some type of natural fibers. And sometimes I think that we need to step back and look at our heart in the same way as that truth window, and just examine it. God knows the condition of our hearts more than we know, and sometimes we need to just need to examine it ourselves, because someday He's going to take everything that's in here, throw it on the fire, and see what is good and what needs to get burned up. So I would just encourage you guys, when you're driving around, maybe you see like a house that isn't like stick framed, not like anything else, but think about what's on the inside. And as you look at other people's hearts, remember that you need to be looking at yours first. I hope that you guys are blessed today, and that if you get a chance just to encourage somebody else in their walk with Jesus Christ. Thank you guys for joining us. And remember that little truth window. Think about what someone would find if they were to take open your heart and look inside of it. Is it going to be good? Is it going to be great? Is it going to need improvement? Or is it going to be pretty stinky? Anyways, be thinking about that. Remember Proverbs 4:23. Guard your heart, because everything flows from it. Thank you guys. Remember to mirror your maker and journey with Jesus.